Good morning. This is Jankrit Vijayawar of MSc 4th SEM, and in this video I will be discussing about the effect of air pollution on human and how it leads to cancer. In our daily life, we are exposed to many sources of air pollutants including smoke from vehicles, chimneys, and due to combustion of coal. These air pollutants includes SOx, NOx and COx. Frequent exposure of human to these pollutants may result in many respiratory problems. As you can see in the displaying slide how badly the air pollutants affects the human body and increase the risk of cancer to humans. As these smoke they enter the airways through inhalation. On reaching the lung, they cause damage to the alveoli and may reduce the oxygen exchange. Thus, these alveoli result in respiratory complications. As you can see in this slide, even long time exposure or repeated exposure can cause a molecular change as they may be lead to mutation resulting in change in nucleotide, that is DNA damage. Gene mutation may lead to silencing of any functional gene or may inhibit the apoptosis. During normal cell cycle, cells have many checkpoints that analyze that only a healthy cell divide and form new cells. But if there is any damage in the DNA, such cells are inhibited to divide and is repaired followed by division. If these cells cannot be repaired, such cells undergoes apoptosis. But in the cancer cells, this phenomena of apoptosis is inhibited. Even the cell with damaged DNA or any other damage continues to divide, forming new cells leading to the formation of tumor. There are mainly three types of tumor: benign, pre-malignant and malignant. In the initiation phase, these tumors are begin and is localized in one place. Further progression of cell growth result in metastasis and movement of tumor to other parts of the body, forming malignant tumor. Thus, the complications raised due to these air pollutants depends on the time of exposure. If the exposure to these pollutants is for short term, that is acute exposure, the major damage will be caused to the lungs and alveolar membrane. The alveoli will swell up, then there will be intense inflammation, and these will result in many respiratory disorders such as COPDs. COPDs are the group of lungs disease that block airflow and make it difficult to breathe. As we all know that the emphysema and chronic bronchitis are the most common condition that makes up COPDs. Damage to lung from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease cannot be reversed and persist lifelong. So it is a kind of life-threatening disease. If the exposure is for long term, that is chronic exposure, it will result in the constant DNA damage. Due to continuous and increased damage, these damage will not be repaired properly and the cell continues to divide with damaged DNA. As you can see in this slide, all the genes related to normal cell division are disturbed and there is increased risk of cancer. Thus, until and unless one is affected or is suffering, we cannot even imagine how toxic these pollutants are, and if not controlled, can be even life-threatening with the time. So there must be strict steps taken to control the production of these air pollutants before the so-called fresh air around us is wholly toxicated. Thank you.